Welcome to this Hive course on migrating your work into Hive. We will be covering how to use 3 different methods to bring your existing work into Hive: copy and paste, import CSV, and import from other project management tools. We will start with the copy and paste method to bring your current work into Hive. This works well if you have a list in a spreadsheet or a Word document, or if you want to insert a simple list of tasks into an existing project plan. In this example, I have a list in this Excel sheet that includes the titles of the tasks I would like to include in Hive. First, I will create my blank project that is ready to accept these tasks. Next, I will go to my Excel sheet and copy an entire list of actions using Control-C. Then I will go to Hive and click into the new action line and press Control-V and hit Enter on my keyboard. This prompts Hive to ask me if I want to insert each line as a separate action, and of course I do, so I agree. Now I have inserted a list of actions simply by pasting. I can also do this to insert a list of sub-actions if I wanted to quickly create hierarchy. I would do the same copy and paste into a single line on the sub-action section of the action card. You can also use the copy and paste method to quickly insert a series of dates into the table view start and end date columns, as shown here. If you have a longer project plan with dependencies, phases, action card hierarchy, and assignees, you may prefer to use the CSV Import option to bring this into a more complex plan. Let's look at the import instructions under the drop-down menu in the top right to understand what can be imported. You can see this by clicking on the CSV Import option. You will see that you can import the following items listed here. Now we need to adjust our file so that the column names match the import instructions. We need to remove extraneous columns and specify the hierarchy and phases appropriately. Remember that if you would like assignees to import, then you will have to enter the email addresses in the column. Once you are ready, make sure to save the file as a CSV and upload it here and run the import. One file creates one project, but you can attach multiple files at once to create multiple projects. Finally, if your work is currently in one of these tools, Asana, Basecamp, Smartsheet, Trello, we have an option specifically to upload the file output from those tools. Click into each option to see the specific instructions. Note that for Basecamp imports, you must be on Basecamp 3. Thank you for joining this course on importing work into Hive. So far, we've covered how to use copy and paste, CSV import, and imports from other tools. Tune into our next video in the series to complete your learning on Hive Basics.